York basketball energy just got its own exclusive AF1, and it's brought to you by the voice that defined the city's latest hoops craze. This is the Nike Air Force 1 Low NYC, made in partnership with Side Talk NYC, the viral platform that turned Bing Bong into a global rally cry for Knicks fans everywhere. It's not just another city colorway, it's a tribute to that loud, unapologetic, one-of-a-kind NYC vibe. We're breaking down every detail, the story behind the collab, and why this is already one of the rarest drops of 2026, right here on the Drop Code. The design hits you instantly. Classic New York sports energy through and through. Bright orange tumbled leather covers the entire upper, giving it that premium, textured finish that ages perfectly. Deep navy blue takes over the swooshes, heel tabs, and tongue accents. A direct nod to the Knicks' iconic palette, instantly recognizable to anyone who follows NYC hoops. It stays true to AF1 roots with a crisp white midsole and classic gum rubber outsole, keeping that timeless silhouette grounded. But the local touches make it special. Custom NYC branding stamped on the tongue and heel, matching the limited edition tees that dropped alongside it. You also get a polished silver lace debray, that signature smaller forefoot swoosh, and extra white laces, so you can switch up the look anytime. This release is all about culture. Side Talk NYC, led by faces like Luke Manley, captured the raw energy of New York basketball better than anyone lately, and Nike brought that exact spirit to the shoe. It dropped as a surprise in-store only release at Nike's brand new Soho location over Mother's Day weekend. No early links, no advance notice, it's just for the people who showed up. Right now, no wider or online release has been announced, making this one of the most limited New York exclusive Air Force Ones we've seen in years. If you see these reselling, expect numbers to climb fast because almost no one has them. Name: Nike Air Force 1, Low NYC, X Side Talk NYC. Style: tumbled orange / deep / white / gum. Release surprise and store only. Shop here. Nike Soho NYC. Availability confirmed limited. No wider drop announced. PH resale. Estimate: approximately 9,500 to 13,500 pesos once pairs hit market. This isn't just a sneaker, it's a piece of NYC basketball culture. Bing Bong, let me know in the comments. Would you rock this pair or keep it sealed? Drop a like if you love this collab and subscribe for every rare drop first. Catch you on the next one.